Oreo, what are you doing to the kid's snowman? Oh, he's got the arm over there. I see it. Oreo, come on back with that. Hey, you, get back with that arm. Why don't we get another one, Nip?
Paul, can you help me fix the nose? The nose is
Is it? And action.
Well, this is my snowman. Nose got fixed nose. Look. And he has this little guardian SpongeBob.
That's his buddy there beside him, is it?
No, it's his guardian. That's why I have the sword.
Ah. And what do you got there, Ava? Is that your snowman?
She's a lady.
Oh, it's a lady. It's a snow woman then. I like her mouth.
She has a friend who's big.
Who's that?
Her name is Lauren. Yeah.
Let me go look at Lauren and see what she's doing. What do you got there, Lauren?
A snowman.
Or is it a snow woman?
It's a snowman.
She's wearing pink. You sure it's not a snow woman? And what's our little dog up to? Hey, Momo. What are you doing? Hey? Whoa! Are you trying to get on the camera?
Yeah. He knows that you're filming. Is that a snowman? Hi, Oreo. Hey, the snowman's where is that you? Dad?
Yeah? Well, let's go up front and build the fort, guys.
Okay. Let's filming?
Filming.
Well, I'm never do it, and this goes never do it, videos, and you can watch more of my videos. Watch this.
Get him! Get him! Get him, Oreo! Get him! Get him! Get him! You get him, Oreo!